Hi guys, so it's been a while since I've made a video just because I haven't gotten the hang of this whole video thing, but I'm excited today to do my first unboxing. I've seen some unboxing videos, but I've never done one before, and so I'm excited to do this one. If you have followed me long enough, you know that I am all about supporting small businesses, two, all about supporting Black businesses, small and big, and so when the Rag Junkie reached out to me, I was excited. Well, also, three, I love vintage. No surprise there. We all know this, right? And so even though I usually shop for my own vintage, it was pretty cool for the Rag Junkie to reach out to me and ask me to do an unboxing for this new service that she offers. And what it is so Rag Junkie is a Black-owned small vintage shop online, and she's offering this new service called a style box. And so basically what she does is she looks through your social feed, gets an idea for your style. She even asks for my measurements, and then curates a box of items, of vintage items. So if you are a person who has wanted to get into vintage, but like you feel like thrift stores aren't for me, or I don't know where to begin, this is a great option for you. And even if you're like me who likes to go out and find your own vintage pieces, it's also still just a cool idea. It's also a cool gift. So there are plenty of, ways to like utilize this service. So here we go. I love the box. I wasn't expecting it to have like the brand on there and all that. So like kudos for that. So here we go. I probably should have cut this open first, but you know, I ain't never did no unboxing, so first time for everything, and live and you learn. There we go. Also, she tapes up really well. There we go. As you can tell, I probably struggled with opening Christmas gifts as a kid. Probably, I don't know, I don't remember. Anyway, so here we go. How cute. I love good branding. This is a mix and match personal style box, and I love that they write these like cute notes. So it says, "Hey Raquel, no style tips here, honey. Since you've ordered the mix and match personal style box, we checked out your style aesthetic on Instagram and curated some items just for you. Hopefully you love these pieces and they bring you joy and longevity." And so I have the mix and match style box, and I don't need style tips, but the great thing is that they do also give you style tips. So if that's something you're like, I'm still not sure how to utilize these things, you can get style tips too when you get your box. Love. So I'm already looking at the detail of this jacket. I haven't even opened it yet, and I'm in love just already, okay? So good. So the detail is in the cuffs of the jacket too. I am smitten, so excited. I feel like this is like Christmas. And Christmas is, you know, with Rona here, it feels like Christmas was forever ago. And who doesn't like Christmas? I die. This is so good. If I just knocked my scissors over, but this is so good, guys. Look at this. Look at the detail. I love the shape of this bag. The material is leaving me at this moment, but it's like lucite but colored, and I can't think of the name of the material for this like plastic right now, but I love it. I'll maybe think of it in time for when I edit this video, and then I'll like put it in there real quick, but it's leaving me. So anyway, love this bag. And I love little small bags. I used to be a very big bag carrier, and I don't know, a few years ago I just started carrying small bags only, except for like travel or something like that, and a lot of like small vintage bags. So going in the rotation. Okay, so she definitely has been on my page. I love a good vintage jean cutoff situation. Ooh, these short. These are so cute. There's some vintage Levi's. Y'all know I like short shorts and having my legs out, so they pay attention, which is great. I'm so excited about these, and I love the distressing that they did in the front, which is really dope. So I don't know, I gained a little quarantine lately. Let's hope I can fit these. All right, this is my last piece. I can't tell what it is. It's like super stiff. Ooh. Oh, this is so good. Get all this noisy paper out of the way. So this is a Wrangler button-down shirt. So let me tell, before I show you the shirt, so my aunt has a trail ride company, right? So I don't do trail rides and horses and all that, but every now and then she'll persuade me to come to like one of the like camp out, cookout things, and this is definitely something that I would see there, and I love it. Even though I don't do horses and trail rides, I am from Texas, so I do love like cowboy chic stuff, and so even though I'm not wearing this to no trail ride, I might wear it to the rodeo should we ever get back to having the rodeo, because you know Rona shut the rodeo down this year. Nonetheless, love. So good. I love this. I love the grommets. I love that it's oversized. I wear a lot of oversized shirts, so this is like perfect, which really just tells me that they paid attention. That's really awesome. I wasn't paid to do this. This is not like some sort of, I don't know, influencer ad thing. I don't know. But anyway, I love this stuff. If I didn't, this is me opening it in real time, so I wouldn't be like, I couldn't fake the funk even if I wanted to. That's just not how I roll. But I do love this, and I can't wait to wear it soon somewhere in my house. I don't know, somewhere. So that is my Rag Junkie style box. I got 4 items that actually reflect my style, which is really, really dope. The boxes, I believe, start at $100. I'm still in love with this jacket. Anyway, and I believe that they may vary depending on what type of box you go for. I got the mix and match style box, but I believe she has other options depending on what you're looking for. Once again, if you are wanting to get into vintage, but like I don't know how, or I don't know where to start, or I just want some dope pieces, like there's so many, this is a really great way to like make that dive. And I think I'll do some sort of like try on video in a little while. Not today because I gotta go to work now, work from home life. But I just wanted to share my unboxing with you guys, and I appreciate you for watching. And if you have any questions about Rag Junkie, I will be putting her social information in the details. And of course you can see it here. Her website is shopragjunkie.com. She's Rag Junkie on Instagram, but I will also put the links in the description. So thank you guys for watching, and I cannot wait to use my items. I'm so excited.